Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Learning Maths with Michelle. Today, we're going to do something totally different. We're going to do introduction to time, distance, and speed. How do you understand time? How do you understand distance? And what about speed? Over here, I have an image. There is a little heart here, and there's a little girl going somewhere. Where is she going? She's going to school. And there is another little heart on the other side in the forest, and a little girl going to school as well. This little girl covers 3 kilometers up to the forest and up to school another 3, so that's 6 kilometers. And this girl here covers 6 kilometers to school. The distance from home to school will never change because there is no way a road can shrink. It remains the same, it is constant. So if this little girl wakes up really late, she has to really walk faster for her to get to school at the right time. That means she increases her speed. So speed is the distance that you actually cover in 1 hour, the distance that you actually cover in 1 hour per hour. That is your speed. Now, what about time? How can we see time in relation to this? Look at the forest, how far the forest is. For this little girl that lives in this little hut, the forest is really close to her, even the river. What about this little girl? She has to come from home, walk right to school, past the school, and take another 3 kilometers to get to the forest to get firewood and to fetch some water. You know, at the village, they use firewood and they fetch water from the river. She will have to really mind her time. And the distance is just long, so the time taken is also long. Unless she decides to really increase her speed to walk faster so that she does not waste time compared to the other one. Let's imagine that one weekend, both girls were sent at the same time, by coincidence, to go collect firewood. And so this one would cover 6, 7, 8, 9. From here to there it's 9 kilometers. So she would cover 9 kilometers. And let's assume that she took 3 hours. And then this other little girl left home. And let's see, she covered 3 kilometers. And let's assume she took 3 hours as well. You can imagine how slowly and relaxed she was going to the forest. Why? Her distance is short. And this one, she was pacing because her distance is definitely longer. Okay, so we know that speed, when you find what you cover in 1 hour, you have found speed. So let's see, 1 hour here and 1 hour there. What have we done here to move from 3 to 1? We have shared by 3. What you share on this side, you must share on the other side. Share by 3. What did we do here to move from 3 to 1? We also shared by 3. And also here we share by 3. So let's calculate mathematically and find the speed. 3 goes once and once, and it gave us 1 hour. 3 goes once, and here, how many 3s are here? 3, so the speed was actually 3 kilometers per hour, or every 1 hour. And what about here? 3 cancels with 3 to give us 1 hour, and 3 cancels 3 to give us 1 hour. Her speed was actually 1 kilometer per hour. And so, from what we have done here, you can now understand that speed, you get the formula of speed by doing this. Speed is equal to distance over time taken. We took distance over time taken to find speed. So, I hope that you have learned something new and you're going to do more practice until we meet each other during the next lesson. Goodbye for now.